Does Realme 16 Pro 5G come with screen protector? Let me quickly check it out for you. So if I move my phone closer to the camera, you can see the small cutout for the front camera or selfie camera, you can see. Okay, and also if I look at the corner of this screen over here, you can see the screen protection. It's a very thin foil that comes pre-installed with the phone, and it goes all the way down, so it covers the screen. Okay, so it's a very thin foil that protects our screen from scratches. So yeah, it does come with a pre-installed screen protector, but it's not a tempered glass, it's a very thin foil. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.